Hello everyone, this is Super Lego Matt Zero here again, and today, this YouTuber named Good Boy Studios is going to make a Thomas and the Magic Railroad remade. So he wants me to find some voice actors, so I need voice actors for his project. So here are the characters in the video. Wait. I'm voicing Mr. Conductor. And Evan Moore is voicing P.T. Boomer. And Jonathan Moore is voicing himself. And I'm voicing Bugs Bunny. So he needs actors for Billy Twofeathers, Lori, Rita, Stacy Jones, and Lola Bunny. And for the hold on. And for the steam engine, there are Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Oliver, Emily, Diesel, Stepney, Bill, Ben, Mavis, Bertie, George, Harold, Cranky, Hatt, and Sir Topham Hatt. And Diesel 10 and Spotter and Dodge are taken by Remade 2009 and me. So if you want to voice for his remade or rewrite, comment down below. Bye.